All right, everyone, we're flushing the trans lines and cooler. That's not engine oil. That's the clean fluid going in, and that's the crap coming out. No fugazis here. That is so bad, we might have to do this twice.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to keep going until we get it at least see-through, a little see-through.
Oh my God, look. We're using gasoline, just so we know we get a good clean.
Yeah.
All right, just dump that. Look at all the debris left behind too.
Yeah.
And we're using low pressure here because we don't want to wear gas. The gasolina.
Dang.
That's crazy, dude.
It's a little better of a color, but still.
Still, I mean, we're talking
From
apple juice going in and
Coke.
oil coming out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dump that. That's getting cleaner.
It's definitely getting
But
cleaner
you know,
with
for all the keyboard warriors out there, yeah, just keep changing your oil when they're black. It's good for your car. No fluids should be black. Hence why we're changing this transmission at 60,000 miles, because it's destroyed.
It is getting better. I think that most of the color now is just anything that was left over in the bottom of the water bottle.
Swirl it. Swirly, twirly gumdrops.
So I mean, what's coming out now looks pretty much clear.
Too much on my mind right now. I'm getting high right now. On gasoline fumes right now.
That's a lot better.
Getting
Still-
there. It's still dirty.
Yeah, we're still dirty, but I think we flashed right by your head.
Look at all the debris and suspension.
It's crazy.
Yep. I usually use brake clean, but now I'm just going to use gasoline.
I like this method.
Proof's in the pudding here at Meineke Cinnaminson. Trans fluids should never be black. When you do CVT transmissions and you check their fluid and they're black, that tranny's done. Or the fluid's completely done.
Now we're turning to a dehydrated color.
Yeah. Dehydrated?
Yeah.
Well, that's me every day. Looks
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, we're getting. I'd say that's pretty good. I don't think we're gonna get much cleaner than this.
You don't think?
Not really.
That was probably...
That was at least half a gallon that we did so far.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Well, how many 12 ounce or 16 ounces bottles did you dump?
This is, I think, a third.
A third?
Well, I mean, this fits a gallon. The thing. So if you were completely full.
No, I only did like half or so.
Okay, so then yeah, we're probably about half a gallon so far.
I would say it's definitely clean.
Yeah. I mean, this looks. Like, I don't think we're getting any better than where we are.
Nah. I'll call that success. All right. There you go, Caleb. Now you learn how to do it the right way. Yeah, that's some 93 octane right there. Thanks for watching.